So David, what is Island Beer Dreams?
We already went over this.
No, but we're doing this.
Island Beer Dreams is online, homemade, unscripted reality show.
The island beer, is this drinking in Jamaica? Is the island Jamaica?
The island is Jamaica, but you're not. Okay. The first.
Like,
Yes, it's Jamaica.
In the middle
the
of-
cat's out of the bag.
the island in the middle of the ocean. Right. So, you call this a show? What's the show about?
Well, the show. Well, all right. I guess the best way to do this is take you from the beginning, Edwin.
Sounds good to me.
All right. So, I'm gonna have to probably talk loud because of this damn background, but
Yeah.
like 18 years ago, I was rehabbing houses with a friend of mine and his brother. And my sister called me and said, "Do you want to go to the island?" Jamaica.
The small island.
And of course I said yes, first time there ever. So I got there, went to this cool hotel. My brother-in-law, my sister's husband, is from Jamaica.
Right,
Okay.
right. Following so far.
Okay.
Yeah.
He hooked me up with this cool hotel. He used to work for a guy that owns a hotel, and I came here and I was like, wow, this place is unbelievable. I'm double fisting. I got the Corona and the rum going. So I'm at the hotel. First night here. So look, before I get to the bar, I got to tell you that 17 years ago, 18 years ago in the States, there was a new law passed that freed up microbreweries in the States. You probably don't even know
I
this.
have never heard of them.
So there was like 10 microbreweries in all the United States. Laws changed in the United States. They freed up the laws for microbreweries, and there was like a microbrewery gold rush going on in the States.
Right, okay.
But we were rehabbing a house. So me and my buddies were talking that we would love to do a brewery, but all our money was tied up in the house, right?
Right.
So I get to Jamaica. I go to the first bar. I get there. I see 5 beers. Heineken, Corona, Red Stripe, Dragon, Heineken, and Guinness, right? So I'm like, okay, I like Heineken and Corona. That's fine. That's good. Get to the second bar. Same 5 beers. Heineken, Corona. So I talked to a guy at the bar. I'm like, don't you have any other beers? It's like, no, man. That's 5. That's all we got. So I'm walking home, and the whole brewery idea is in my head, right? And I'm like, well, we're never going to open up a brewery in the States, but there's only 5 beers here in Jamaica.
I'm getting the picture. It's coming through.
So I'm like on my walk home from the bars, I'm like, this would be a perfect place for a brewery. There's only one brewery here.
There is.
How many breweries are in the States? Plenty.
I think you've maybe hit a winner.
All right. So, for all you guys out there, Edwin, my partner in crime here filming, has no idea what my idea is. Just to let everybody know. I've kept him out of the loop. So, an idea is like booming in my head like a light bulb. okay? I sleep on it, I wake up the next morning, and I'm like, you know what, I don't have a lifelong goal. I love this place. I walked around here, it's awesome. Fell in love with it right from the start. I'm going to declare right here and now, my lifelong goal is to open up a brewery here on this island. I'm only calling island because it's Island Beer Dreams. So, there it is. My lifelong goal. Brewing beer on the island. Island Beer Dreams.
Wonderful. Now, yes.
Is it
so,
computing?
Right. So, where are we with this?
Oh, well,
That's what I-
hold on.
That's what I'm thinking.
Hold on. So, I'm talking to a couple people that I know around, Islanders.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm telling them my idea because, you know, I'm talking and I'm wondering what they have to say because they're from here and they know a lot more about this than I do. Totally encouraging. They're like, that's a good idea. So it's getting me excited, you know. So I'm planning. All right, I'm a big planner, Edwin. Like, I plan everything. So I'm thinking, okay, I have this invention. I'm going to use my invention money. I'm going to work on when I get home, so, you know, the 6 days vacation's over. I'm flying home. I'm thinking I'm going to use my invention money for my dream.
This machine is saying charge the battery pack.
Uh-oh. We might be out of battery.